What is up, everyone? Welcome. Today we've got a new product that has come that hopefully can improve our streams. So check it out. I stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/RyanXIS Shadows. Go have a look at it. We've got today the Shure MV7. It's a USB dynamic mic. This is the first time I'm buying a mic as well, and from what I read online, it's supposed to be a really good mic. We'll see how it does in terms of my streams, if it helps. It's a really good mic, they say, but it's a bit pricey as well. It's a mid-price tier for a mic. So right at the back, you can see for podcasting, home recording, and gaming. So this fits me for my whole gaming setup, for my podcasting setup on my other channel as well. Go check that out, Football Chatbox. So yeah, it's really helpful. Let's see how it looks like, shall we? Shall we open it? Let's see. It doesn't really give you too much at the back. But like, yeah. I've ordered a boom arm as well with this, which hasn't arrived yet. But I'll do a video unboxing for that as well. You can purchase this mic as well. I'll put the link, the Amazon link in the description at the bottom so that you guys can also use it. It's my Amazon referral link, so if you use it, I also get a bit from it, so it helps me as well and helps the channel. So if you want to get one, you can. So let's open it. Right there, welcome to better sound. There we go. Nice, really good solid packaging. Here's the moment. There you go. What do you get? So you get a quick starter guide. You get, what's this? Okay, I think there's something in it. I don't even know. Let's see. But here's the mic. It comes in two colors. You get silver and black. I myself went with the black one. Nice. There you go. So you get the USB, you get the XLR, and the headphone jack. So the XLR, USB, and the headphone jack. And this is the mic. Obviously, you can attach it to a boom arm or a mic stand on this. This is the pop filter, and obviously inside here you see the mic. I'm sure you can remove this as well. And you get the capsule in the middle. So yeah, that's the mic. I mean, lock it up a bit. Pop filter here. Okay, so let's put this over here for now. Can it stand? Can, but for safety reasons, I'm not going to do that. What else comes in the box? So we've got that, which should probably go in here next to the mic stand area. And we've also got, your warranty guides and your other documents as well. And in here you've got two USB cables, I believe. And I believe they are both, one is with USB-C and the other one is a normal USB 2.0. So yeah, so depending on what type of computer you have, you can either use two different USB versions. That is all up to you. And the cables are pretty long as well. It's supposed to be, I believe, 10 meters in length, so pretty lengthy cable should be enough for you as well. And that's basically what you get in the box. Yeah, so let's get into, in terms of audio quality and owning this mic, I'll probably do it. Do I do it in this video? I'll probably do it in this video. Something to do, keep in mind, is that this can knock at the edge. So make sure that when you're kind of like putting the mic and setting up, that you be careful that you don't you might damage it. So you might want to put some tape or something, because it can kind of get knocked and can get damaged and you could lose coating. So keep that in mind when you're setting up the mic as well. All right, cool. So maybe let's get into turning it on. All right, so now you can see that the mic is connected over here to the Rode PSA, and you guys can see these lights over here. Let me bring it closer. So you can see the lights over there, okay? And you can see there is the headphone, and there is also the mic button. So if I switch it to the headphone, oops, I didn't click it. Oh, there we go. See how the lights change? And then you got this slider over here, which can kind of boost the volume or even like turn it off. So I could, oh yeah, there you go. I could reduce it a bit more, and then you see the colors. It's like basically a slider. See how it increases? Okay, there you go. So that's the headset volume in orange. If I switch it to green, then it's mic volume, and then on this slider on the top here, I can just slide it back, and it'll reduce the mic volume like right down. So I can increase the mic volume back again, and then if I long press, I can get both on, and it's a mixture of headset to mic volume adjustment. So yeah, and then obviously there's a mute button on this side, which you guys can't really see. Let me try this thing. Just hold on. I don't want to damage my cable, but yeah. So at the back you can see I've got my headset jack plugged in. You've got the cable that goes into the PC directly. You've got the XLR, and your mute button is on this side of the corner, on that side, which you can mute the mic as well. Now, you guys would have already seen my Rode PSA 1 unboxing, and you know how previously it will be up, but once you place the mic, it like falls automatically, and like yeah, so I can adjust it accordingly. The weight of the mic will keep the whole boom arm also steady. The boom arm also stretches quite a lot, so no problems with that. So yeah, it's a pretty good mic, and this is how it sounds when I've got it near to myself. I'll probably add in a few clips as well, how it sounds in gameplay, and maybe how it sounds when I'm doing like a podcast as well on my other channel. Go check it out, Football Chatbox. So yeah, this is basically the Shure MV7 unboxing and testing as well. I really like it. I've used it a couple times already now. On my podcast, on my streams. Go check me out on twitch.tv at Ryan XII Shadows. So go check me out there as well. Give me a follow. And I really enjoyed so far. So far, it's been pretty good. The feedback I've got from my streams and viewers on the podcast, and those who also do the podcast with me, is pretty good as well. So I like it a lot. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it's definitely worth the investment. It's pretty good. And yeah, get yourself a solid boom arm as well with it, because the mic is pretty heavy a bit. Something you guys can see a bit here is I've put like some tape on it, because of the fact that when you kind of like, let me bring this to center. When you lift this a bit, right? When you lift it all the way, it can kind of knock. So you don't want to lose that coating. So yeah. Anyways, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, you can purchase this product if you want to. My Amazon affiliate link is in the description as well, so you can use it to get yourself the product if you want, and that'll help the channel as well if you purchase it through that link. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah, if this video helped you, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are getting there close by. We're about 860 right now. We can get to 1,000 subscribers soon, so hit the subscribe button. That means a lot. Thank you.